We're back in Inle Lake to do a 5-hour boat tour. We've met up with the cool people from our trek, Michael from Germany and Johan and Sophie from France. We've all bought silly hats and now we're going to get on the boat with, I think it's called Entree.
Our boat driver is called Ong Wei, right? And to remember names you always need something to hold on, right? To remember. So I think he does his things in his own way, right? So we will remember the name.
Whenever we go on a boat, we seem to end up going past someone who's broken down and have to stop to help them out. It's happened again.
Life, sunshine. Till my hat goes like. So these are floating gardens. There's soil bound into the weed and then they're growing tomatoes out here on the lake, so they always have a source of water. It's a pretty smart idea actually, I think. We've seen in here like a whole process start to finish of how they actually make the thread from the lotus flower, and then like making one roll takes 2 months. And then we've seen how they put the rolls together and then how they mix the colours, and then we just learned that it takes 4 days to produce one of the traditional dress skirts for a male, which they can sell for $12 for 4 days work. Which is crazy, but they're very pretty and I'm amazed at how labour intensive all this stuff is. This is an inlay design cotton scarf. I think I'm going to get to keep the sun off my head and to keep me warm when we get to colder places.
So stock number 3, traditional cigarettes.
It makes me really want to try it, although I gave up smoking ages ago.
You should.
It just smells so banana-y. This is the banana one that's getting lit up.
Well, it's basically, I think it's a cigarette and the filter tastes like banana.
More on the lips than the...
Yeah.
Couldn't be neither.
Let me just try.
This is crazy heavy. From about 9 or 10 years old, they start to add their ring, and then they keep adding until they're maybe 35, and then they stop. It's in 2 parts. They have one part that sits at the back, but when they want to sleep, the bottom part turns around so that they can lie down properly. So the next bit of very well translated information that we got from Sophie is that There are a few reasons why they put the gold rings on the neck. The main reason is for beauty, but also it protects them from big cats, basically, so from tigers in the forest. I'm not sure how many tigers are left in Myanmar, but that's the traditional reason why, is because a tiger would go for the neck, so they have protection on the neck. So we kept seeing all over India this weird red stuff on the floor, and then I realised that it was people spitting weird red stuff out. And then when we get to Myanmar, we see the same again, like the red stuff and people spitting things, and then they sort of look at you and smile, and then they have this horrible, like, bright red mouth. And apparently it's this stuff, which is a leaf filled with things. I don't really know what is in it. What is it called? Bitter nut or something. Along with other spices and things, and apparently you just put this in your mouth and chew, and it's supposed to be a pleasant experience. So apart from getting red teeth, I figured it was probably worth a go. It's been about 3 minutes. I'm still chewing, and it's really bitter. I'm not exactly thinking it's a pleasant experience. It's a bit numb.
So we've got back to town now after our boat ride, which was basically a shopping trip.
As these things sometimes are. It didn't cost a huge amount. We got a pretty good deal on the boat. And it's really nice to just be on the lake and see people fishing and stuff. I would say that I would come to Inle Lake if you're coming to Myanmar, because it is a really nice area and it's cool to see what's going on.
Quite interesting to see the women with the
weaving and the long necks, yeah.
Anyway, so we're back in town now. I think we're just gonna grab a few little snacks and stuff because we're getting another night bus.
So we will leave it there.
And we'll pick it up again tomorrow in Bagan.
Yeah, so thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next one. So I guess we will probably leave it there. Thank you for watching.
Wait. Do that again.